Hello, so my name is Henry Paris and I'm part of a group focusing on ankle rehabilitation by creating an assisted device for patients. The aim for our project was to create a rehabilitation device for older adults who are hospitalised, as the primary issue with older patients particularly is their lack of mobility whilst hospitalised, with 90% of the time being in bed or in a chair. This means that regardless of injury, the ankle deconditions quite rapidly, losing a lot of muscle mass and a lot of function, and so independence is lost quite quickly. It takes about 10 days to lose 10 years worth of muscle mass. Our device is an electromechanical based system as a response to this. The initial primary aim for our device was purely just instrumenting a pure mechanical resistance based system, and we deemed it insufficient as we couldn't customize to what is known as the torque angle curve. The torque angle curve basically just saying how the muscle responds, where the peak force contractions are dependent on range of motion, and by having a code-based system we could implement that a custom torque angle curve to each patient to improve rehabilitation rates and speed of recovery.
Okay, so we've got a couple of inbuilt security safety features on here. So we've got our hard stops. So we've inbuilt 2 hard stops into the device. So we have one that's held by the patient, and this is just in case they're not feeling very safe, or they're not even that, if they're just feeling a bit uncomfortable, or they just want to stop the exercise, they can hit that and it will shut down the system completely. And then there's one available for the clinician that will also be operating the screen here as well. And then for the actual foot plate, so its range of motion is actually set by the system. So the system won't actually ever exceed that. So it will go up to here and all the way down to the bottom, if I do that. But as an extra layer of security, we've also added hard stops here and at the bottom behind as well. So that even though the system doesn't fail, just in case, we've also got hard stops just to be extra sure with that.